Hi, today I'm going to make the video about living with a Doberman. How can a pregnant woman live with a Doberman? As you can see that we have already uploaded so many videos of our Doberman daughter, and she has been a year. She has been a year and a half old. She has been a year old. We have celebrated her first birthday in the month of June only. 30th June was her birthday, and we have been living with her for 1.5 years. And as you can see that it is very prominent from my protruding belly and my body shape that I'm carrying for 9 months. This is my 9th month of pregnancy, and that means my due date is just around the corner. It's just a week or two ahead that I'm going to deliver my first human baby. And yeah, we're very excited, but we have also been very excited about our Doberman daughter. And before starting this video, or before the getting the idea of shooting this, I have searched so many times on YouTube and typed so many questions on Google about how to live with a Doberman during pregnancy. But there is no video or no good suggestion about it, so that's why I have decided to start a video just to say that Dobermans are, they're not they're just like your human baby. They're just like your human child. They're not very calm and composed, but they are very much intelligent. And our Coco Moni, I mean my daughter, my elder daughter, she is of an American breed. She is an American Doberman, and she's pretty much intelligent, because whenever I or her daddy gets tired or feels sad, she quickly catches it, and she just comes to us, starts to licking us, and all that. She can understand our sadness, our happiness, and she just cannot live without us. I mean, her parents are her world for her. So my pregnancy was started in the month of March 2021. I mean, that time I first got to know about it. I got the test result positive, and then we visited the doctor, and the doctor suggested me to be bedridden for around 4 months, from March 3rd to March 3rd to 30th June. I was bedridden for 4 months with so many medicines and all. And that time my daughter, she was sleeping with me, and she did not create any problem, because Dobermans are not, they're not very they're very active. They're not inert at all, but they're not ferocious at all. That's the word I was searching for, but I could not find it, because my Doberman daughter, she came back from her morning walk. She just came back with her tongue out. Just look at her. মা এদিকে মুখটা ঘোরাও, মা এদিকে মুখটা ঘোরাও, ওকে দেখাও না ওর জিপটা লম্বা জিপটা। She's just tongue out. Every day she comes and goes like that.
Come here. Come here.
মা শুয়ে পড়ো,
Come here. Sit.
শুয়ে পড়ো। জানো কে আছো তুমি?
Sit. Good.
তুমি জানো? Hi, so I'm back, and so you have seen that she just came from her morning walk. This is her regular exercise, and usually her daddy takes her out. When she was very young, I mean 3 or 4 months old, I used to take her out for the morning walk, but now as I'm unable because of this pregnancy things, so the responsibility went on her daddy. And let's come back to our first topic, that Dobermans are not at all ferocious. They are very ferocious for the outsiders, for the strangers, because my daughter cannot tolerate even my mom, but she loves my brother. But I don't know why she cannot tolerate my mom. And she loves her grandfather also, but grandmother actually my mother-in-law actually she's afraid of her. She's fearsome for my mother-in-law, but she has a good relation. She has built up a good relation with her grandfather. So whenever we are not at home, whenever we go to visit my doctor, and which has become so often, because now for around 3 to 4 months I have to pay a regular visit to my doctor, as my due date is coming nearby, and as I said that it is around the corner. So whenever we go out for visiting the doctor, my father-in-law her grandfather used to come to her, and he stays with her. But there is a gate, of course, there is a small gate. Actually we live upstairs and they live downstairs, so there is a small gate in front of the staircase, and she sits upstairs just near the gate, and my father-in-law, he just cuddles her, touches her, and she is consoled with that. I mean, this is the pattern we have made, this is the pattern we have to build. So this is, see, there is no risk during pregnancy of living with a Doberman. There is no risk at all, because I did not face anything. I did not have a miscarriage, or I did not have something some problem like bleeding or rupturing while living with her. But so this is entirely on you, this is entirely on the human master, that how can you control your Doberman, how should you control your Doberman. Because see, she is our daughter, as I have already mentioned, that she is just like our elder daughter, not more than that, not less than that. Yeah, I've said that she is of American breed, and she is highly intelligent. As I said, that she can understand our emotions. Whenever we feel sad, she comes to us and starts licking us like, okay mom, I'm there for you. And whenever and she can understand our happiness also. As I said, that we are the small world we are the whole world for her. She doesn't know anyone outside of this world, of her world. And this is our room, this is our bedroom. Actually there is another bedroom nearby, and these two bedrooms, one small balcony and two terraces. We have a small terrace just in front of our bedroom, and another terrace is in upstairs. That is the third story. This actually, we live in a second story building, and this small world is good enough for her. And see, I have seen in many videos that people are tying up Doberman, but this is not good for them. We never tied her up, never ever. Since her childhood, she was free. She started living with us, like she sleeps on our bed just beside us.